All right, fam, super quick one. As you guys already know from last night's video, the Buy More, Save More was coming, but it's already here. So I will leave a link to this M12 Surge. Y'all know how this works. Spend as close to 500 as you possibly can to get the max 150 discount. You guys are gonna have to play around with it until I get a chance to sit down and do the math and all that. But look at that, the high-speed ratchet 179, just good all around goodness here. I have the M12 Surge, so let's add a couple $200 items here. Should put us there. Ooh, one more. So that's obviously a terrible combination, but let's just go into the cart just so you guys can see that it's live. M18 oscillating tool is part of this promo, which it's brand new, guys. This thing has not had a promo for it at all. I believe the max discount you can get messing around with these numbers is going to be 30-ish%, but like I said, today is day one. There will be some store glitches coming up soon, but if y'all want that M12 Surge kit, I don't think there's going to be a better way to find it unless we get some kind of store glitch. So as always, if you guys find something funky, store glitch number, leave it in the comments down below. I will make sure it gets back out to everybody. That's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.